Welcome back, everybody. Now today we're going to talk about how to remove copyright claims from videos, from YouTube videos. So now when you're on YouTube, you come over here to the YouTube studio. This one's perfect. So we come over here, see details. Okay, so we go down. Now this part indicates this white marker here. This indicates the part that is being copyrighted, the part of the video being copyrighted. So you click select action, then you trim out segment. You click continue. You trim it. So that's how you remove copyright claims from your video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.